Hi guys, I hope all of you are good. Hello, I have today an unboxing video. I want to share with you the May limited edition kit by my creative scrapbook. This month the kit is featuring the Love Story collection by Prima Marketing. I'm going to show you first the papers. And this collection is with tones of pinks, beige, pink foil accents, as you see. And this is the first paper. You can see the vintage look here, and the Love Story collection is how it calls. And on the back, I love this side. Look how cool it is with the paint effect. Then the second paper has many. You can cut all these images or make cards with this side of the paper. Look this. Love this side too with the roses, so pretty. Look, this paper is so cute. I love this one. Love the combination, the flowers with the polka dots. And on the back has this design with the foil around, and you receive two papers of this design. Nice. I love this side. Then you get another paper with the cards that you can cut, and they have a foil. And on the back, look this side. Love this side with the roses. You get two paper of this design. Nice. And then you receive this other paper. Love the images. And on the back has the feathers design, and you get two paper of this design too. Then you get this paper from Paris with a map, and on the back you have all these hearts with foil. I like this side. And last but not least, you receive this paper. I love this side, and this paper is from 49th and Market. You have the fairy, but I love this side. For sure I will use this side. And these are the paper that you receive this month in the limited edition kit. Let me show you the rest of the products. You also get, a 12 by 12 stencil, and I'm not sure how to pronounce the name, so I'm not going to say something incorrect, but this is the stencil. It's a 12 by 12. You also receive ABC from American Craft. Let me show you. Look this. You receive from Creative Embellishment this package that has 3 chipboards. So pretty. Nice. Then you also receive a stamp from Prima. Look how cool. It's a clear stamp with the handwriting. Love it. So nice. Then you also receive a package of ephemera. This is a die cut cardstock. You receive 47 pieces. I don't know, my camera, I have problem with my camera to focus, but you receive 47 pieces plus the acetates pieces in pink, and some of the die cuts has the pink foil too. This is the acetate pieces. So pretty. Very nice. Then you receive a bunch of cards from the same collection. You can use it from card to create mat, to decorate for mini album. So nice. A lot of possibilities with these cards. Then you receive this piece of lace that I love because it's very delicate. Look, so pretty. Love it. And last but not least, you receive 3 packages of Prima flowers. Look how cool. The first one is this one with is in tulle with the gold sparkle, and then you receive other package of fabric flowers. This is like a chiffon, I think, and this one is from paper flowers. The 3 packages are so pretty and are from the same collection. So let me put everything back. Sorry for my voice, but the pollen had me a little, you know, with an allergy. And here are all the papers, the flowers, and all the beautiful product that comes this month in the limited edition kit. Check the description box, and I see you soon with my first video tutorial. Here are 2 videos that maybe you are interested, and the link to this kit in the description box. See you guys. Bye bye.